go live. Okay, we are live, Celina. Welcome. Happy
Hi.
Friday. Hello, everyone. This is our English interview. So, of course, it's in English. We already have the one in Spanish. So, today, Connecting Community is bringing a very important and relevant service, a medical and health resource for you. And we are partnering with Alliance Medical Ministry, and we have Celina Uribe, community health worker, who is going to bring us this amazing resource. Celina, please introduce yourself.
Hi, you guys. Thank you for joining us here on Ibanez Live with Connecting Communities. My name is Celina Uribe. I am the community health worker and bilingual community health worker, as a matter of fact, here at Alliance Medical Ministries. A lot of people know us in Spanish as La Clínica Alianza, but I have been here a little bit over a year, but I've been working in community health worker as a community health worker over 20 years.
Wow. Sometimes people don't know what is a community health worker, promotor de salud. Can you explain it before to even start with the Alliance Medical Ministry and Service? I think it's important to educate ourselves. Who is a community health worker? What is their main role?
So a community health worker are the ones that we're the behind the scenes workers. We're the ones that go out into the communities. We also work along with clinics, hospitals, social services. We help establish what's going on at home that can prevent a person from not getting proper health care. So if we see that there's a problem and there's something that we can do about it, say they need resources, say they don't have money for groceries and they don't have SNAP, or what people also know as food stamps. There are food banks all over Wake County. So we help our people in our communities connect to those food banks so that they know that there is food. They can go get food. They're not going to go hungry. If I keep coming and you see my face all the time, you're going to recognize that I'm someone you can trust in your community. And now you're going to feel free to come to me saying, hey, do you know where I can find resources for clothes? Because I have an interview and I don't know what to do. Absolutely. I know exactly where you can go and get clothes. You know, I don't know how I'm going to pay my light bill, and I have 3 kids and I'm a single mom. Yes, I know it. I know resources where you can go get that. So we're like the middle person. There's the resources, there's me, and there's our community right here. And so if they don't know where to go, I'm here to help guide them, to help them get to the resources. And if they can't get to them, figure out how to get the resources to them. There's
Yeah,
been a
that's a
many a
community
time
health
that
worker.
we even deliver the food to them. So
Perfect, perfect. And thank you for being here. We want to connect our listener people out there about what is Alliance Medical Ministry, what services offer, who is eligible, those kind of things. So please, Celina, tell us about Alliance Medical Ministry. What is that? What services provided by Alliance?
of course, here at Alliance Medical Ministry, we have been here for the past 30 years here in Wake County. We are next door to Wake Med. We provide access to comprehensive and compassionate primary care for working uninsured adults to reduce health disparities here in Wake County. Here at Alliance Medical Ministry, we focus on comprehensive, holistic care that includes treating a patient's mind, body, and spirit, and it's all at a low cost. Here we offer primary care, on-site lab work, referrals to specialists, reduced drug cost or prescription cost, wellness programs such as Zumba, yoga, healthy cooking, walking with the doctor, strength training. We also have a nutritionist here, our community garden program. We have mental health counseling, and of course, you have the community health services. So there's so many different services under our primary service title that when our patients come in, it's not just for primary care. They realize, wow, there's a lot of different services, and I'm glad I came.
Great, great. And who is eligible? There is an age. Um, who is eligible to access the service, Celina?
Yes, absolutely. So to become a patient here at Alliance Medical Ministry, you have to be at least 18 years or older, a resident of Wake County, uninsured, but you or someone in your household must be employed.
Okay, great, great. And do you have, are you accepting new patients?
Absolutely.
That's great. That's awesome. Because sometimes people say, but they have waiting lists. Celina was sharing that Alliance Medical Ministry is accepting new patients. So those are great news. Also, Celina is going to be with us tomorrow in our soccer clinic and information at Apex. So she's going to be there with her table. If you have more questions, you're welcome to stop by, and Celina is going to provide the information in English or in Spanish because she's fully bilingual, and we appreciate that she, just did the interview in Spanish with us. If you feel this information is useful for someone else, please don't keep the information for yourself. You know what to do. Just hit the button, share, and that's the magic of social media. You can get to so many people at once, and this is a good information, good stuff that community needs to be connected with sometimes. And as Celina was saying, sometimes problems comes in a package, and it's not only the help that you need, you also need sometimes help with your bills, or other resources, so she can help. And over there you can be connected with other resources, so that's also great about Alliance Medical Ministry. We're excited about having them sharing their information, their service. How a person can become a patient, Celina? Do they need to call a number? What is the process?
So they can do actually one of three things. And there was one thing on our Spanish interview that I forgot to tell you is they can come in person. So in order to get access to become a patient here at Alliance, you can visit our website at www.alliancemedicalministries.org. You can get referred, from an ER, they could refer you to come over here. You can call and speak with patient services at 919-250-3320, or you could walk in and, inquire at our front desk, and one of our patient services there would be more than happy to give you the information that you need in order to become a patient here at Alliance Medical Ministry.
The opening hours, Celina.
They are Monday through Thursday from 8:30 to 4:30, and on Fridays 8:30 to 12:30. But we have been running some extended hours lately on Fridays until 3:30, 4, depending on how many patients need to be seen.
Okay, that sounds wonderful. There is something else that we are missing, or did we cover everything that we wanted at this?
I think we went over everything. We just want everyone to know that never put yourself in a point that you're putting your health on the back burner. We want you to know that just because you don't have insurance doesn't mean you don't have a place to go. When it comes to your health, you're first, you're second, you're last. So if you don't take care of you, who's going to take care of you? And know that Alliance Medical Ministry is willing to open their doors and let you call us home, and make sure you come by and check us out. As again, we'll be there tomorrow in Apex at the soccer event with Connecting Communities. If you have any questions whatsoever, please stop by my table. You'll see it decorated all in purple. That's our colors. And I'll be more than happy in English or in Espanol to help you with any questions or doubts that you may have.
Yeah, come to the event. We are going to have wonderful
Yes.
resources. Celina is one of them representing Alliance Medical Ministry, but we will have also a class, a CPR class, that, sometimes we need to know in emergency cases. We are doing socket or movement. If something happened, you will know how to reanimate a person. We will have also wake tech. Kids can play soccer. Kids can also paint some pumpkins. We will have some special fall activities that is so much fun. So come with your family. We're gonna be also sharing vegetables thanks to Root Causes, which is a partner that we have. And also we have diapers because we have just received help from the diaper train. So it's a whole community party. I want you to feel welcome, happy. We love to share around food, so it's a community thing. So we are excited that resources are going to be shared. We're going to meet you. Come with your family, invite your friends, your neighbors, and also maybe now you are driving or you're on your way, to pick up a child. You never know. The life is busy, but make sure that you replay this and receive the information and share this information with people who might be benefit from it. So thank you, and thank you, Celina, for your time, for what you do. Appreciate your time, especially it's Friday. I know it's late, but we have a heart for the community. That's why we are here. So please share this passion, share the good
Absolutely.
information, and use the social media for also this amazing purpose, which is serve to the community that might need some access to these resources. As Celina said, don't put yourself last. It's important that you take care. Especially if you're a parent, you take care of others. You have to take care of you first. I know because I also have done that. I will wait a little bit. That pain is gonna go away. You don't have excuses. You have help. We are sharing where you need to go. So use it. Use it for you or for a loved one. Happy Friday, Celina. I'll see you tomorrow.
TGIF, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for connecting communities to invite us over to your show. And we so look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Awesome. We love collaboration. Bye, Celina. Bye, everyone. Happy Friday.